Good morning. My name is Meenu Das. I'm a lecturer in Athena College of Physiotherapy. Today, we're going to discuss about a topic called neuron, which is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. This is how the structure of neuron is going to look like. So, as I said earlier, this is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. This is the entire picturization of it. So what it has a body that you can see right here. There are two main processes. Processes means the projections that comes out of the body. They are called dendrites, which you see like a tree here and a long structure here. Do you see that? It's called axon. Now, these dendrites and axons together are called as neurites. So this is a diagrammatic representation of neuron, as you can see. So this is the body of the neuron, and from this body there are a lot of projections that is happening. The major two projections are these branch-like structure called dendrites and this long elongation called axon. This body has nucleus and missile granules, which I've marked in red color. Can you see that? So these are present towards the dendrites, but these are absent in the long structure called axon. Now we'll see what is in this body. In the body we have nucleus and missile granules. Can you see that? It's marked in red. And you can see there's this missile granules running into the dendrites, but it is not going inside the axon. Now we're going to talk about the projections that is happening from the body, that is dendrites. So dendrites are thick structure that is jumping out, and they are short, and as you can say, they taper. You see, they are narrowing in the ends. The function of these dendrites is they receive the signal from outside the body and then give it to the body here. Then what is the function of axon here? It carries the signal from the body to the other neurons. Now, what do we have in axon here? Axon, inside axon we have something called axoplasm, and the border or the membrane of axon is called axolemma. In this we have node of Ranvier, we have Schwann cells that is there, and this axon is extended and has axon terminals. We'll quickly understand the classification of neuron. First is morphological classification. In morphological classification, it is classified depending on number of processes, and then it is defined in number of or the length of the axon. Number of processes we have unipolar, pseudopolar, bipolar and multipolar. So this is coming under multipolar. Alright. Then on the other perspective is depending on the length of the axon. The shorter the length is called Golgi type 1. The longer length of axon is called Golgi type 2. Now, depending on the function of neurons, there are further two classifications: sensory neuron and motor neuron. Sensory neuron, what it does, it carries the information from outside the body, takes it to the brain. When it comes to motor neuron, it carries the receiving signal, what has to be done, the fleet moment or the fight moment, that is carried from the brain and it takes it to the body. Either it could be a skeletal or vital organs. Now when it comes to the motor response, there's something called upper motor neuron, there's something called lower motor neuron. Upper motor neuron is within the central nervous system, which is in the brain and the spinal cord. The lower motor neuron is from the spinal cord to the efferent organ, which could be a skeletal system. We would have learned in the childhood, right? Touching the fire, you take it back. Reflex arc, that is what is. We're talking about the upper motor and lower motor neuron. Got it? So I hope you guys understood what has been discussed right now. To more such interesting topic, please join us in Athena Group of Institution. Welcome, guys.